Alright guys, making this video. Just left my place and came to get some gas. And yeah, I'm just sitting here and my car won't start. Let's give it a try. Nothing. Fucking nothing. I've had this car for less than 2 months. 2015 Chrysler 200. And I thought German cars were bad. It's fucking American made. Gotta trade this car in. Part 2 of this video. So I've been sitting here for about 45 minutes and all of a sudden my car started. What the fuck? This is like the 5th time it's done it to me. Every time when I go to get gas. I don't even want to turn the car off. Look at my gas. Got nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna just ride it out. Might fill up my car with gas while it's running. Anyways, I'll let y'all know what the dealership says.